What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys the WRX project. It is complete and it has been complete for a while, but unfortunately the video that we made on the final episode, it got corrupted and it messed up all our files and we couldn't release it. So in this video, we're actually gonna go ahead and detail it, get it all cleaned up and ready to put in storage. And also we do have a Tomei exhaust that we're going to put on and a front lip. The front end, I don't think it really flows with the wide body. You can see the car has girth, but then you go down to the lip and it just looks like something is missing here. So we're gonna put a front lip on it. Hopefully it makes it look really nice and ties in the front end. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so we're not going to start it because I don't want to heat up the exhaust. So we're gonna roll it in. Alright, so here we have the Tomei. Is that a Tomei, da? You know who says that?
No.
Fresh Kicks.
Tomei. Let's do a little unboxing video.
Hold on, I'm gonna get a razor blade. Dang, check that out. Looks beautiful.
Is this titanium?
Yeah.
Wow.
I assume it's gonna get all blue when we drive it around, you know? Alright, so here we have our first pipe. Check out those welds, guys, man. This pipe is beautiful. Probably I wonder if does it come with a downpipe or no?
I don't know. I guess we'll see. Probably not.
That pipe right there.
It's really nice
Super
quality.
light.
Super light.
Yeah.
Titanium.
Here's the most important part right here.
Is this single exit again?
I think this one's bigger, which might be a problem because that one barely fit with the diffuser. I guess we'll see.
We might have to just cut the diffuser out right there then.
Dang, son.
Definitely bigger.
Look at that. Extreme TI, whatever that means. Tomei da. This box is like all the accessories and the stickers.
Yeah, don't lose the stickers, bro.
Oh, I'm sure he wants all this.
All right, let's get this bad boy replaced.
See, we got this silencer. We know Andrew don't want this. Go ahead and toss it. And then the hanger for the stick. All right, so now that we got everything in box, we're gonna go ahead and take off this old exhaust. And I don't know, should we leave this custom mount? What do you think?
Yeah, I think I actually kind of like that wire mount.
It looks very professional.
I like the wrapping that they put on there as well.
Yeah, this right here actually adds 20 horsepower. We're going to change, put this one on. I'm curious to see how it's going to sound. I wonder if it'll be louder.
I don't know, maybe we should crank it up right now and then do like a little comparison test.
We forgot to do it before and after.
Yeah, we got to do it before and after, boss.
Put it back on.
What do you think? He hasn't even removed anything yet.
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, it'll be fine. You haven't loosened that one, right?
Yeah, we need to.
Yeah, tighten that back up.
We need to do it before and after for sure. Andrew specifically requested a before and after.
Oh, this is for Andrew. Some really nice welds on this exhaust pipe. Do you notice that?
Yeah, that's weld goals right there. Titanium G.
Handmade. You see that, Ben? What do you think about that?
Looks good.
Yeah? Almost as nice. Yeah, it's almost as nice as this right here. Look at this.
Man, I don't know about that.
Look at that. That's for that bad boy right there.
He fired it up yesterday.
Did he really? What'd it sound like?
Sounds insane. We fired it up with the regular exhaust on it, and then we took the exhaust off straight pipe. Super
Ooh, I
loud.
bet it was nasty.
Cause that right there, that's a full straight pipe. You see down pipes?
I see that, man. That's
It's gonna sound insane.
wow, dude. Look at that. They take this heat wrap to it. That's incredible, man. That is, man.
That's like highest of the highest.
That is legit.
And it's all long inside here.
You ready? All right, let's do this. Comes to his parents' neighborhood.
Grab it, lad.
No, I think it goes the other way. I think it's the other way.
Nah, it slips in there and then they screw on to the side like that.
Really?
We're not gonna put this on though.
Oh.
Bro, Andrew would not want this. But you look, you can make it slightly louder by taking this off.
I say we prank him and weld it on there.
the Tomei sounds amazing, guys. Now we actually want to go ahead and clean this car up and make it nice and shiny. So we got the car all cleaned up. We went ahead and put it back on the lift, and now we're gonna install this lip. It also does have a splitter that goes underneath it, but it's not here. So we're gonna just go ahead and install this. So we need to take off these right here, these clips. This is from our undercar shield. We did install this, guys. Check it out. It's TBW. Makes the underside look very clean, and it was missing all these pieces. So the metal one really tied it in, made it look nice. So we're gonna take these out right here. And then I'm thinking probably gonna have to drill these holes bigger to fit this. So let's get it out and get this lip on. Guys, man, this thing sounds amazing with that Tomei exhaust, but it is finally completed. There are a couple little things which a buddy of mine is actually going to do. He started his own YouTube channel, doesn't have any content on there yet, but I'll drop it down below if you want to see more videos on it. He's going to finish it up. It needs a splitter. He's also doing a precision turbo wastegate on it, and then the 3-cylinder cooling mod. So stay tuned, guys. If you want to see it, I'll link it down below. All right, so pretty much we're gonna do a full walk around and show you everything that we did on this car. All right, so starting with the rear, we got this STI wing. It really tied in the rear because the rear was very fat with this wide body. I love the way it looks. We also got this diffuser right here installed. It makes the rear end look very aggressive, and I like how it comes out right here with the canards. It really goes in with this tire as it comes in here. He also has the front splitter coming, which is going to tie it in the front just like it does in the back over here. There's also, of course, the titanium Tomei exhaust, which you guys already know about because we installed in this video. Sounds very good. I think it sounds a lot better than the NVIDIA he had on there before. All right, so in the front, we did replace this hood. The original hood had a lot of cracked Bondo on it, and it was just not worth fixing. We didn't want it because it would not last. So we got a new hood for it. And then also these custom headlights. They give it that modern Subaru look, as you can see with this light right here. It looks very nice turned on. We'll show you that, guys, in a minute. And then also this lip, which you guys seen us install. Pretty much not really that much. but with the splitter, I think it's going to look very nice. And also this lip made a drastic difference because I originally didn't like how it looked without the lip. It kind of looked empty, but as you can see, it closed up this empty space right here, really ties it in. And I did have to modify it a bit because it is for a non-wide body car, but it actually turned out amazing. And then last but not least, of course, is our Mountain Rider wide body. This actually fit up very nicely. We did have a couple of fitment issues in the beginning, but we figured it all out and we got it fitting super nice and super flush. I love the way it looks, although one thing I do not like is how it comes in right here, and it really throws up anything and everything that's on the road, and it's kind of inconvenient, but it is what it is. Pretty much every wide body I've seen is like that, so you can't really complain. I mean, that's just the name of the game, you know. If you want it to look nice, you gotta sacrifice some things, but it looks very good. Also, we did foam all the inside of the wide body. It used to be very flimsy when you would like just push up on it or anything, but now it's very sturdy. And you can see in the rear here, it literally actually feels like it's part of the quarter panel. And what we did was we foamed the entire inside with the foam that expands, and we cut it off very flushly and then painted it black, so it actually acts as a new fender liner, so that way dirt and stuff does not get up inside here and cake up, because eventually what that would do is it would eat through the paint and it would start rusting. But we want this to last, so we did everything correctly and it all turned out amazing. I can't wait to show Andrew once he gets back from deployment. I already know he's gonna love this car. Stay tuned for that, guys. With COVID, he can't come. He can only come for about 7 days, and he doesn't want to waste a trip for 7 days. He wants to come down for a month and really enjoy this car. So it'll probably be in the summer where he's gonna come down and we're gonna surprise him with it and see his reaction, and also let him drive it around. I can't wait to see his expressions, man. I just know he's gonna be smiling from ear to ear with this thing, because he already loved it before, and before it was pretty battered up. Originally someone fixed it and they fixed it like garbage. It was cracked Bondo everywhere, the paint was peeling, the roof was destroyed. We did also replace this roof because the inner structures were destroyed from the impact, because this car was wrecked before, and it just looks so bad. Like, you could see waves, and anytime you hit a bump, that was literally all you can hear. But now it's all fixed, the roof looks pristine. I can't wait to see how he reacts to that, because, you know, like, you'd expect like him to see the wide body and everything start freaking out, but I already know when he sees the roof he's gonna freak out, because he is not used to that. It literally looked like a war zone up there. And then also, guys, we did go with Cosmos Racing rims, and it's wrapped in a Nitto tire, and it gives it a lot of grip. And also, this is a Cadillac CTS-V Brembo conversion in the front. It turned out very nicely, and then in the rear we have the STI Brembo conversion. So definitely has the stopping power now, so he's definitely going to need it, because he is going to be getting an STI transmission and pushing more power on it. This motor is built so it can definitely handle it, and he's going to upgrade the turbo. So maybe when he does all that, we'll make another video on it when it's all completed and show you guys. And then also, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the headlights and how they turn on.
Yeah.
So as you can see, guys, it looks very nice, very modern. Really updated this front end, plus his original headlights were all cracked up, so it was definitely a good plus to do that. All right, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this WRX build. It was a very fun process for us. We really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show Andrew it. But if you enjoyed, be sure to comment down below what you think, and also comment what's your favorite feature that we did to this car. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co for sneak peeks. For instance, today we actually showed the exhaust install on Instagram, and you can get the sneak peek before the video actually drops. And also, we do have merch. It's on vtune.com. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.